We're on the eastern basin of Lake Ontario, one of the world-class fisheries in all of the Great Lakes. Lake Ontario is actually the last lake in the Great Lakes system, and it's home to many rivers and tributaries, such as the Black River, the Salmon River, the St. Lawrence Seaway, and the Oswego River. We're going to be targeting these back bays as the walleyes have moved from their summer locations to find a wintering ground as the bait starts to transition into that cooler temperature water. Lake Ontario is primarily known for its king salmon fishing, its muskie fishing, and even some of the world-class smallmouth bass fishing. But as this temperature drops and the walleyes start to migrate back into these bays, it's an absolute walleye fisherman's dream to tackle one of these giants.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.